Okay, Fiona eating. What do you think about that? Look, you can almost just set it down. See what happens. What do you think about that?
I think if you think I'm going to forget about it,
No.
it's crazy.
Oh, whoa. Just all over your face.
It's a clean day. Oh, backlog. Oh. That was a very messy load.
It's exciting, isn't it? What do you think? That's so nasty. Good eating, kiddo. Some crazy hair. Hey, over here.
Maybe we can play with that later.
I want to play with it now. Mom.
We need to tape this to the table. Which is a good idea in theory, huh?
You should probably put some double-sided tape down on that. Keep it from sliding. But it's so exciting. Oh, I'm going to put it in my mouth. Gross.
Oh, look, it went away. Oh, it went away!
Yeah? Whoa. It's a sudden little burst of energy. Oops.
Where'd he go? Oh, yummy! It's hard to eat when Dad's not here, isn't it? Probably don't need to finish this off entirely, huh? Look at you! Look at you, big food face! Say bye!